Today we will look at how to make custom table view cells. In the previous video I have showed you how to make table view controller. Let's start with that quickly. Table custom, and then I'm going to show you how to customize those to have more elements than just basic elements that are provided by Apple. So if I make a window based application, I don't have anything in it right now, so first I will add a new controller. It's a new file, and say UI view controller. I want a table view controller, so I'll say table view controller, and I'll call it table view controller. And my table view controller is there. Now I want to add it to my app delegate, and we'll say table view controller, and to add it to the windows, so I'll go here and I'll say table view controller table equal to table view controller allocate and initialize, and then I will say self window dot root view controller equal to table. So once I give it, I have the table. Let's go inside the table and look at some of the elements that we need to modify. First, number of sections, by default it's 1, so I'll remove it. Number of rows, let me say only 1. I'm going to show you one table view cell and how it looks. So let me just say for now text label dot text equal to hello. So let's see if it shows up. It says build failed because it's okay. We run it in the simulator. So once I run it in the simulator with the text label of text, which is provided by Apple, just a label, so we will see a table view controller with a text hello in it, with just one single table view cell, because I said I just need one of them. So there we go, hello. So now I need something more with this. First of all, I want to increase the height of the table view cell, so I will say cg, I will write a function, a delegate method cg float. I think it's a data source method, cg float, and its height for row at index path. What is the height I want? And I will say return, since it's a cg float, say 100. Now the height it increased. This is how you give a height. Now I want to make a custom table view cell, so I will make a new file. This time I'll go ahead and select Objective C class, and I say I want a UI table view cell, and I'll say next, and I will call it custom cell. Saved, custom cell shows up here. Now I want to use that custom cell in my table view, so I will say custom cell, and instead of using the UI table view cell that is provided by Apple, I will just say don't, instead of making a cell which is of that type, say custom table view cell, custom table view cell. Now it gives a warning because it's expecting a table view cell, so I'll just cast it to return custom table view cell. So that will work. Now it will show the custom table view cell. Custom table cell is just a class, just another class which is subclass from UI table view cell, and it has some in it with style method, set selected if something is selected, then dialog method. So I'll go here, and just below the initialization code I can type whatever I want in my custom table view cell. So I say if I want a UI slider equal to UI allocate in it with frame cg rect make, say 10 10 300, height is 30. So I get slider dot minimum value equal to say 0, slider dot maximum value equal to 100, self dot view, self dot content view. Remember this, the table view cell has something called as content view, add subview, slider. So once I add that, save the file, and what we should, it's running, so I'll stop it, run it again, and So we should have a table view cell with a UI slider from values 0 to 100. Similarly, you can add whatever you want in your custom table view cell. You can add a title, you can add some descriptions, you can add a bunch of different things to a slider. Let me show you one more example. Let me say if I want a switch, star switch equal to UI switch allocate initialize with frame, make I want it say x is 10, 50, this 100, height is 30, and I say self dot content view, again add subview switch. So this should show a switch and the slider above it. So we have a slider and we have a switch. So this is how you make custom table view cells. You can add whatever you want to this custom table view cell. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe so I can make some more videos, and let me know if you have anything specific in mind. Thank you.